Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hamdan wa syukran lillah amma ba'd. First of all, let's let's say thanks to our God who has given us blessing and mercy so that we can join in this game it. And don't forget to send salawat and salam to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam who has who has bring us from the darkness into the light. So that in this I don't forget to, and I would like to say thanks to the audience uh, for the participation in this present my present research proposal under the title The Effectiveness of Animation Movie to Improve Students' English Vocabulary at the second grade of SMA Negeri 7 Bulukumba. I'm Nur Amalia, and number stumble is uh, 2020-31 0408. And the next slide. Okay, here there are chapter 1, there are background. There are 3 points. In this background, there are English language about vocabulary, and the second audiovisual media about animation movie, and the last is students' problems in learning about vocabulary. Okay, English language. When we talk about English language is a social communication tool that is a system of symbols or sounds resulting from human speech or movement, where um, where vocabulary is the basic of language learning. Because of that, vocabulary is an important element in language, which is a key in the acquisition of the language itself. Therefore, vocabulary mastery needs to be done to improve students' communication skill future, because vocabulary is the basic of language learning. And the next, audiovisual media. Audiovisual media. When we talk about audiovisual media, uh, uh, video media is a learning media that combines elements of audio or sounds and visual motion or image such as films, videos, or television programs. So that animation movie, animation movie is the best things that we can use in technique to in learning technique, because uh, because animation movie or the use of media such as film or movie as a positive effect on increasing students' vocabulary and production easier for students to understand. And the next, students' problems in learning vocabulary. After observation at SMA Negeri 7 Bulukumba, the researcher obtained information from the English teacher that is very difficult for students to be less interested in learning English, because why? Because because vocabulary vocabulary is the spoken and written language are different. And also, and the next problem or challenge, time limit to learn English language. Maybe there are twice a week, so that students can so that students can easier to learning vocabulary, because they has a limit time to learning English language. And the next uh, challenge, that is students not interest in students not interest in learning English language, because students thinks English language is difficult. In the next slide, okay, here chapter 2, there are problem statement. Based on the explanation before, the problem of the research is, does the use of animation movie effective to improve students' vocabulary at the second grade of SMA Negeri 7 Bulukumba? And in this also, there are objectives of this research. Objectives of the research, that is to find out how effective animation movie can improve students' vocabulary at the second grade of SMA Negeri 7 Bulukumba. And the next point, there are significance of the research. There are 2 points in the significance of the research that are theoretically significant, and the second is practical significance. And in this theoretical significance, there are three uh, points that are theoretically research findings will contribute to testing the suitability of animation movie whether used in school or not. And the secondary research findings can be used as a references for the future researchers who want to conduct a similar study. And the last, for students of SMA Negeri 7 Bulukumba, it can be used as a reference, particularly in improved students' vocabulary using animation movie. And the second is practical significance. There are 2 points here. They are for students and for teachers. For students of SMA Negeri 7 Bulukumba, this study is expected to give them a way to improve their verb or action verb through watching animation movie. The second, for the teachers, the research will be an input to improve their ability in choosing appropriate technique in teaching verb, especially in action verb. And the next scope of the research. Scope of the research, the material is limited about or focus about verb, especially in action verb, and the types of watching movie is by using animation movie. The next, slide. Okay. The next slide, we will talk about chapter 2, where review of related literature. On review of related literature, in point A, previous research findings. There are three previous research findings here. There are Shefani Arif et al. 2022 with the title Animation Movies for Enhancing Vocabulary, a Quantitative Study Among Vocational Schools. Where in this research design used was the one group pretest post-test design method. In the design, only one group was used as the experimental class, which was given pretest, post-test, and treatment section. And this research was conducted at Karya Bakti Vocational Schools, Brebes, involving 23 grade 11 vocational school students. And the data collection technique used a question instrument consisting of 30 pretest questions and 30 questions. The post-test question consists of picture identification, word meaning, and spelling, totaling 10 questions. To answer research question related to the effectiveness of using animated films to improve students' vocabulary, students' English learning, especially in vocabulary. And this research, hasil dari research ini adalah hasilnya adalah meningkat. And the next adalah El Pesari Permata and Kayardi 2022 with the title Investigating Learning of Incidental Vocabulary Through Animation Movie, where the study focused on incidental vocabulary through an animation film, where there are out for students in the study produce random vocabulary quite well. From the result of this study, it can be concluded that animation movie environments have an effect on students' English vocabulary control. And the next, Resni Permatasari 2022 with the title Effectiveness of Storytelling Method through Animation Movie Film to Recognize English Vocabulary in PAUD Harapan Bunda Kinders in Pasamanan Barat District, where here using two class, there are class B1 and B2, where it can be concluded animation movie have an effect on the introduction of children's English with storytelling in connection with activity use themselves. So that considering the proposed research above, the researcher tried to do another research related to this, The researcher used an experimental research to teach vocabulary using animation movie too. And the differences between the research mentioned above and the researcher's research are the sample research time and teaching techniques. Next slide. Okay, next slide is some pertinent ideas. Some pertinent ideas. There are four four points. There are the concept of vocabulary, kind of verb, animation movie, advantages of using animation movie. Okay, the first, the concept of vocabulary. The concept of vocabulary. Before definition of a vocabulary. Vocabulary is an important part of language learning and communication because when we speak in a language, even our mother tongue, one thing that often comes to our mind is vocabulary. So that having a good vocabulary not only helps students express their intention more precisely, but also help them understand what people are trying to convey. According to Megawati SCT in Hestiana 2022, the key to mastering a language is vocabulary. And the next kind of verb. There are many kinds of verb. There are many kinds of verb. But before I explain or mention the kinds of verb, let me explain about definition of verb. Verb is a word that describes an action or operation or indicates a state. So that verb can use to show the measure and condition of thing. So what is the function of verb? The function of verb is sentences are used to identify or explain the behavior of the preparator subject in the sentence. So that what what kind of verb? The kind of verb that are transitive, intransitive, regular, irregular, and action verb. But in this research only focus in action verb. Action verbs are used to express something that happened according to Umar 2022. And also action verbs indicate what the subject of a sentence performed. Action verbs can make the listener or reader feel emotions. So that action verb something uh, that action verb is something to express what that happened. And the next advantages of using animation movie. There are many advantages of using animation movie in teaching learning process, especially in vocabulary. There are okay, there are can display visually either in the form of image or animation of the substance of subjects that are very small and impossible to see with the naked eye, such as the shape of ions, molecules, microorganisms, skulls, and others. Um, Animation movie, because in animation movie has pictures or visual that can make students interest in learning uh, language, especially in vocabulary, and also in animation movie uh, can display visual or audio. That audio can make students easier to understand how to spelling the word, and mudah mengingat uh, kata per kata di dalam uh, film tersebut. And the next adalah students interesting with the with the movie because this movie story about animasi. And the next slide, next slide. Fit, next slide. Okay, next slide. Okay, next slide is conceptual framework. In this research, the conceptual framework is teaching vocabulary, after that teaching by animation movie, and the next improving vocabulary, uh, vocabulary about action verb, and the last is the students vocabulary SMA Negeri 7 Bulukumba. And the next hypothesis. And this research has two hypotheses. There are null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis, where the null hypothesis is about using animation movie as a teaching media is not effect to improve students' vocabulary. And the second alternative hypothesis, or H1, using animation movie as a teaching media is can be effect to improve students' vocabulary. In the next slide. Okay, in the next slide, there are chapter 3. The last chapter, there are methodology of the research. In this research, will design of the research. In this research, we'll use a quantitative method with pre-experimental design. Why we use a quantitative method? Because quantitative method with pre-experimental design, because in this research has a limit time. And the next, variable and indicators. There are two variables that are dependent and independent variable. The dependent variable X is watching animation movie used in teaching vocabulary. The second, the independent variable or Y is the increase in students vocabulary. Indikatornya adalah increase vocabulary especially in verb or action verb, especially in action verb. Next slide. Okay, next slide. There are population and sample of the research, where the population of this research, the second grade class MIPA SMA Negeri 7 Bulukumba, with the population 122 students, and with the sample randoms, with sample here, the research using random sample technique because random sample technique in this population homogen di mana kemampuan siswa dan materi pembelajarannya itu sama. Jadi makanya digunakan random sampling teknik ini, menggunakan random sampling teknik ini di kelas 10 MIPA 7 Seminar 7 Bulukumba as an experimental class with total students 25 students. The next instrument of the research. So the instrument of this research that is will use vocabulary test. The test carried out is a subjective test as objective test, where the pretest is used to check the student's vocabulary before treatment, and the post-test score is used to find out the student's vocabulary improvement after being treatment. The next slide. Data collection procedure, where procedure of collecting data here, there are pretest, treatment, and post-test. Like I said before, the pretest uh, is used to check the student's vocabulary before treatment, and treatment that here, uh, the researchers will use animation movie three animation movie with with different with different title, and that post test, in the last post test, the post test score is used to find out the student's vocabulary improvement after being treatment. And data analysis of this research adalah data collection will be analyzed by quantitative analysis using statistical produce and service simulation, or SPSS. Next slide. Okay, I think that's all for me. I'm sorry if I have mistake. And the last word I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.